My name is Roman Shimonov. I'm the CEO of Roshel. The company is headquartered in Ontario, Canada, and now we have production facilities in the United States and in Europe. At DSEI 2025, we are presenting a line of armored vehicles. On my left, that's the Senator pickup truck that is based on an MRAP version. And this vehicle is a versatile solution that is based on Ford F-550 chassis. We'll also have a solution based on Ram 5500. And this vehicle has been already deployed to different combat zones, including Ukraine. And one of the things that makes this vehicle really unique is the low cost, fast turnaround, and the ability to support the vehicle in the combat zone. But the cost is not only for the procurement of the unit, but mostly to support the vehicle where we have a full commonality of parts. We have a global supply chain of all of the parts with the ability to support them in any field. The vehicle has been tested and certified to meet and exceed the STANAG 4569 Level 2 ballistic and STANAG Level 3A, 2B and 2C with the 25 kilos of TNT on a side, which makes this vehicle the safest in its category. The most important part for us is not just to sell the vehicle, but to create a framework where the customer enjoy from a longevity support and the ability to reduce the downtime of the vehicle as much as possible, so they can have a solution that is durable, easy to maintain, easy to use, and that provides the highest protection level in its category. We see how in the last few years the entire doctrine of the war is changing. As we follow, we see the drone threats, we see the IED, and we see the instability in the world. And we were able to ramp up the production and to learn along the 3 years of war in Ukraine. We learned so much. We had a learning curve that allows us to implement thousands of modifications and to make this vehicle super durable. We have an upgraded axles, we have an upgraded capsule, and the entire vehicle is designed in a way that every single part can be modular and customers can change and swap between them. And this learning curve also allowed us to be able to address the ongoing challenges and threats, not just from the land, but also from the air. The vehicle is designed to be transportable and can go into any sea container without any modification. The vehicle has the best ratio between the weight and the protection level it offers. And in order for us to be able to address the markets that we're focusing on, like Canada, United States, Europe, and Latin America recently, we were able to create this supply chain, global supply chain of being able to assemble the vehicles at the country of the destination. And this gives us much bigger flexibility and gives the shortest turnaround in the industry. The vehicle behind me, this is the ERV, Emergency Response Vehicle, that is designed specifically for SWAT operations, for law enforcement activities. The vehicle has a flat floor with an easy egress and escaping hatch, and the vehicle is designed to address the needs of the law enforcement agencies. The vehicle is deployed in numerous countries, mostly in the G7 ones, and designed also with the knowledge and expertise that we gained based on the combat experience that vehicles generated along the last few years. Our vehicles can be equipped with different systems. Specifically, this one behind me has a Tather drone from Easy Aerial, and this Tather drone can send the drone all the way to the sky and to get a higher coverage of the perimeter, where the drone can stay for hours in the air. Unlike untethered drone, this one will be able to supply both the power and the ability to have the video signal back to the C2, to the command control center. The vehicle has a fire suppression system, mil-spec hinges, mil-spec wheels, has all of the packages that make this vehicle super easy and reliable, durable solution for different agencies. So we have active contracts with several European countries, and soon we'll deploy a big number of vehicles that we got the award already. And as a part of our footprint in Europe, we are working on homologating the entire vehicle along with other chassis that we're bringing and presenting to the market. We're actively engaged in different programs, including in the UK, where we are offering the best ratio when it comes to the price, turnaround, and in-service support. Yeah, so this is a Roshel Captain APC. It's based on two models. One of them is the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. We have the brand new model that is based on Ford Ranger. And the Ford Ranger is offering a higher payload. It's 1 ton extra of payload. The vehicle is equipped with the weapon system, with the 50 cal weapon system that gives an additional layer of protection and offensive capabilities. The vehicle is perfectly designed for border protection applications for different paramilitary and SWAT operations. One of the biggest advantages of this vehicle is the price, of course, and commonality of parts. All parts are widely available. The global network allows to serve this vehicle, and the vehicle comes both with right-hand drive and left-hand drive with diesel and gas engines, which makes it super versatile. And of course, the entire line consists of different models with the shortest turnaround and with hundreds of vehicles in stock. So our expectation is to continue working with allies partners. We focus mostly on the G7 countries and the ability to offer different vehicles for different applications, not just to be used domestically, but mostly for humanitarian operation. This is where we have the advantage. We're able to deliver the vehicle. We're offering the entire package of in-service support, and with the ability to provide a comprehensive after-sales support along with the vehicles.